Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about minerals. We have studied about ores, rocks. We have also studied about there are two major groups of minerals that are metallic and non-metallic. Metallic means which contain metal and non-metallic means which do not contain metal. Metallic mineral is again subdivided into two types, non-ferrous and ferrous. Non-ferrous means which do not contain iron. Ferrous are the minerals which contain iron. After that we have studied about mining. Mining is the process of extraction of mineral. There are three major types of mining. Open cast mining, where the deposits lies near to the surface of the earth. After open cast mining, the next is placer mining. In placer mining, water is used to extract the mineral. The next is underground mining. Underground mining is the deepest form of mining. Under underground mining, one more mining is there, that is drilling mining. It is another type of underground mining. Today we will study about mining and environment. Mining has severely impacted the environment. Large agricultural land have been destroyed. Natural vegetation has been wiped out from the large area. Mining also have some impact on the environment. The first impairment is large agricultural land. It has been converted into the mining area. Natural vegetation has been wiped out from large areas. These areas often flood due to lack of proper drainage. In hilly areas, mining often leads to landslides that kill people and animals and destroy property. Miners also work under dangerous conditions in many mines. For example, poisonous gas may be emitted from the mines. Every year, hundreds of miners die in mine fires and sudden flooding. Mining activity leads to air and water pollution. Many times it also leads to the displacement of people. These are the ill impact of mining on environment and the workers who are working in the mining areas.